In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee on Zoho People. This task, while simple, is essential for keeping your HR management system up to date and ensuring a smooth onboarding process for new team members. Let's go through the steps together, making sure you have all the details you need to complete this task efficiently. To begin, log into your Zoho People account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is your home base where all the essential features are just a click away. Now from the dashboard, look for the plus icon, often referred to as quick actions. Clicking this icon will open up a menu that provides several options for you. In this menu, find and click on Employee. This selection will lead you to a section dedicated to employee management. Here you'll have many options, but what you're looking for is the Add Employee As button. Click on this to move forward. At this point, you'll see the option to select Invitation. This is an efficient way to add new members to your organization. By using this, the system can send structured invites to new employees, simplifying the process for everyone involved. Now, it's time to enter all the necessary details. Make sure to carefully fill out all the required fields. These might include the employee's name, contact information, employment details, and any other relevant information your organization needs to store. Be thorough but concise, ensuring all data is accurate to avoid any future confusion. Once you've completed entering all the details, click on Create. This step is crucial as it saves all the information you've just input, adding the new employee to your Zoho People system. At this stage, you can update more details if necessary. However, if all required details have been entered, you can choose to skip additional updates. This choice might vary based on your company's policies or the amount of information you've gathered during the onboarding process. Next, you will need to select Trigger Onboarding. This step ensures that the onboarding process for your new employee is initiated, setting them up to receive any necessary training or information they need to start smoothly. Following this, initiate any associated workflows. This step automatically connects the new employee to any automated processes or communications needed for their role, seamlessly integrating them into your company's operations. Finally, click on Finish. This final step confirms all the actions you've taken and completes the process of adding a new employee. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new employee to your Zoho People system. With these steps mastered, you're now ready to keep your team's information current and organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating Zoho People.